Okay, so I just glued the shoulder strap, the detail plate to the support, and it's important to kind of move your glue out of the way when you use the kicker. So just let it sit for just a couple minutes, and after that, it's important to, if you can, get an air hose, an air compressor. Just the fumes alone from this thing will help kick the glue and accelerate the curing. You don't need the air very hard, just enough to doing that in a well-ventilated area is much better. This does have a pretty strong smell to it, but so there you go. So that's not going to go anywhere now, and CA glue does work for styrene and ABS. As I said, this is styrene, this is ABS, and it glues it together quite well. So next will be to clean this edge up here with the Dremel wheel, and glue them in place with the chest in the back.